What's up guys, I'm Sean. Welcome back to Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how you can cut this flexible wire, or you can call MC wire. So there is a metal cover on the outside. So to cut that, don't use any other tools, as they have a tool just for that, and it's very simple. So I'm gonna connect this wire to this junction box. So to cut that, there is a tools they call MC cutter. Is especially for this. You just need to put this wire in the middle, and there is the blade. So when you I just measure here, so where I want to cut it. So I'm gonna put the wire in the middle, and there is a handle. You can hold the wire, and there is a blade. You just have to turn that handle to make a little, just a cut in the middle, and after that you can turn it to take the middle part off. Alright, I just made the cut in the middle. So and you just need to turn that now and just slide it, so you can take the middle cover off. So don't use the hacksaw or other tools, so you may make a damage to the wire. So just buy this product. I put the link in the description if you like to check it out. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and have a great day.